Basta Radyo, ibandera mo.
107.1 News FM Olongapo.
Basta Radyo, ibandera mo.
Basta Radyo, ibandera mo. Alright. Welcome back, people. Welcome back. Excuse me. I still got an itchy throat. Makati pa rin hanggang ngayon, no? Kayo ba magaling na? Alam niyo, nung nagtaglamig, ang daming ang daming nangating lalamunan, ang daming nawala ng boses, ang daming namaos. Thank God, hindi ako inabot ng pamamaos, no? Muntik na, almost. Pero, yeah. Pag ganito yung line of work mo, parang ang hirap niyo, no? Na mawawalan ka ng boses. Yung, The Walking Dead. Okay, a while ago we played the song coming from Back to Back, Twice South Korean girl group. One of its members, si Mina, is one of today's birthday celebrants. And also yung To Anyone, yung pinakasikat nilang kanta, I don't care. Hanapin ko nga mamaya yung may napanood ako na video noon, tapos nilapatan ng tinagalize, yung tagalize. Tagalize yung lyrics na syempre kalokohan, parang gano'n, di ba? It goes like, I don't care, umaarte. Si Park Bom, one of the members of To Anyone, is also one of today's birthday celebrants. She turns 42 today. Turns 42, March 24, 1984. Okay? So, that is why. Back to back. Yeah. And right about now, let me give you the invites coming from our friends at SBMA Labor Department. Okay? Inviting you to be a scholar. TESDA Zambales and SBMA Labor Department is in need of scholars for carpentry, NC2. First come, first serve to, Limited slots lang. Ilang slots lang itong meron dito, Kaya, konti lang. Okay, it will be from March 25 to 31, 2026. Interested applicants may submit their application at the SBMA Labor Department, Workforce Development Division. Yan. Located at Building 662, second floor, left wing, Taft Street, Subic Bay, Freeport Zone. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam ng Building 662, alam niyo yung pagpasok niyo ng main gate, diretso niyo lang 'yun, dire-diretso lang, di ba? Diretso, madadaanan niyo yung Subic Gym, yung beach volleyball court na ngayon, dating tennis court, beach volleyball court, tapos badminton and tennis court, madadaanan niyo pag dumiretso kayo, di ba? Tapos diretso pa ang aksyon. Diretso pa ang lakad. Madadaanan niyo yung Travelers Hotel, tapos Building N, tapos dire-diretso pa rin, no? Ayan. Tapos hanggang makarating kayo ng 229. Oh, diretso lang. Yung Building 229, dulo na yon. Hindi pa ron. Pag nasa Building 229 kayo, admin building ng SBMA, lumampas na kayo. Diba? 2 buildings backward. 229 yun nasa harap ng dagat, no? Tapos yung next sa kanya, 255. 255 ba? 225. Oh, yun. Basta yun na yun. Tapos yung sumunod doon, yun yung Building 662. Okay? Hindi naman sunod-sunod yan Baka nagtataka kayo. Building 229, 255, 225, 662, ba't iba-iba, no? Meron pa nga letter, di ba? Building N. Kasunod ng, hindi naman kasunod ng P, no? NOPQRST. Yan, basta diretso lang yun, yung sa from the main gate. Diretso lang. Malapit naman na yan sa dulo sa may karagatan sa waterfront. So, madali lang hanapin. Doon yung pupuntahan yung SBMA Labor Department Workforce Development Division, Building 662, second floor, left wing, Taft Street, Subic Bay, Freeport Zone. For other inquiry, you may visit the Facebook page na lang ng SBMA Labor Department. Yun mas madali kasi pwede ka mag-messenger, Sumasagot naman sila sa messenger, okay? So once again, those who are interested, this is being brought to you by TESDA, Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority, SBMA Labor Department. Inviting you to be a scholar. TESDA Zambales and Labor Department is in need of scholars for carpentry NC2. First come, first serve lang mabilisan lang. Okay, limited slots lang. Pero this is for free, wala kang mabayaran for sure, okay? You may also call the landline hotline number of the Labor Workforce Development Division. 252-4092. 252-4496. Yan, okay? So that's the invite for you coming from our friends at SBMA Labor Department. And speaking of SBMA Labor Department, might as well give you the latest job announcements para hindi lang yung sa NC2 na carpentry ang pwede mong applyan. Ito pa, marami pang pwedeng applyan. Alam niyo sa Subic Bay Freeport, napakaraming jobs lagi. Last time we did job fair, we had more than 5,000 job openings ang available, ha? 5,000 mahigit. And ilan yung nag-apply? Diyos Mario Joseph, 400 plus lang. Kulang na kulang sa tao. So, kulang po kami sa tao. Kulang kami sa tao. Apply kayo. Yung mga inaabot ng mga panawagan na to, di ba? Ang layo na inaabot ng signal natin eh. Worldwide tayo, syempre, sa Facebook Live video. We are worldwide, baby! Tapos yung signal natin, di ba? Umaabot sa parts of Bataan, Zambales, yan. And Olongapo, of course. Subic Bay Freeport. Okay? Apply kayo, ha? Kailangan namin ng tao. Yung pinakamalapit, nearest na job fair na gaganapin, dito pa rin sa Facebook page ng Labor Department, makikita nyo, no? 2026 job fair schedules, 3 naka-schedule. May 1 yung isa, syempre Labor Day Special at the Harbor Point Mall. Yung sa September, in celebration of National Tourism Month, to be announced yung other details, no? Okay? And yung November 27 naman, para sa SBMA 34th anniversary na. Pang 34th na. Harbor Point Mall naman gaganapin din. Okay? So, ayan. The back-to-back announcements from our friends at SBMA Labor Department. And here are the latest job openings for you. College of Subic Montessori is in need of school cashier, head teachers, mathematics teacher, science teacher, school librarian. That's for College of Subic Montessori, pati BS Tourism Instructor, BS Customs Instructor, School Registrar, Finance Associate. The deadline for those job openings at College of Subic Montessori is on April 10. April 10 pa. You have ample time to apply, huh? Marami pa. Okay, and next up we have the next job opening is for Tokiwa. Tokiwa Subic Corporation is in need of licensed pharmacist. Hanggang March 31 na lang ang deadline. Okay, malapit na. So you better hurry. Thailand Abrasives Corporation is looking for a production operator. And the deadline, closing date is April 15, 2026. Nisera Philippines Incorporated. Ayan, may job openings din for Nisera. Aircon technician, Nihongo interpreter or translator. Yan yung Japanese language, ha, for those who don't know. When we say Nihongo, that's the Japanese language. Okay? What else? Also, Nisera Philippines Inc. is looking for production facilities and design engineer 1. Okay? That's for Nisera. Ang closing date ng mga job openings for Nisera is April 10, 2026. Okay? May nagtanong sa akin dati, DJ Tommy, pagkatapos bang Nisera, nigawa din nila? Sabi ko, syempre, tayo nga, kahit na hindi natin Nisera, di ba? Kung kusang nasira, or accidentally nasira, kahit hindi natin Nisera, ginagawa natin eh, sila pa kaya. Nisera. And then, sumunod, nigawa. And Linji Incorporated is looking for sales and planning officer. April 15, 2026 is the deadline for Linji. Okay? And next up we have Western Infocom Corporation is looking for an office staff, automation engineers, repair engineers. The deadline is on March 30, 2026. Subic Dry Dock Corporation is looking for blaster painter, scaffolder. Mga magagaling sa scaffolding yan, scaffolder. Finance assistant. Okay. Dock mechanic. Electrician, planner, estimator, machinist. Ship fitter, structural supervisor, welder, crane operator. pipe welder, pipe fitter, PMS mechanic, rigger. Dami ha, for Subic Dry Dock ha. Electrical supervisor, mechanical supervisor, naval architect. Ayan, at Subic Dry Dock. Deadline is April 30, matagal pa. Oh, marami yung kailangan eh, mahabang process ito, ano? Ayan, the openings for Subic Dry Dock. Oh, may nagtanong din sa akin sa Subic Dry Dock. Sabi, DJ Tommy, yung bang dry dock, pag umulan, dry dock pa rin. Sabi ko, depende. Oh, depende. Pag sinilungan. Nilagyan ng silong, o sinilong, o kaya tinakpan. Hindi na. Dry dock pa rin, I mean. Pero kung hindi, hindi na dry dock. Nabasa eh. Next job openings for Tonglong Philippines Metal Industry. Automation Technician. Product Engineer. AP Accountant. Deadline is March 31, 2026. Okay, yan na muna for the meantime ha. Yung mga job openings na babasahin natin. Nako, pagka binasa ko lahat, aabutin po tayo ng 2028. Promise. Ang daming job openings na to. Well, para makita nyo po lahat, puntahan nyo na lang yun. No? SBMA Labor Department Facebook page. It's all posted there. Madami pa. Hindi ko matatapos lahat. And also, for those who wanna apply, bring your resume, your biodata, your application forms at the receiving section. Merong receiving section ang Labor Department in front of the Subic Gym. The small window there in front of the Subic Gym, that's the receiving section. Pwede nyo i-drop doon, ano? Tapos nakapost din doon. Kaya makikita nyo rin yung mga pwede nyong applyan, okay? And aside from that, pwede nyo bisitahin nga ulit yung SBMA Labor Department Facebook page. Nakapost din lahat ito, all of the job openings at marami pa, may mga hindi pa ako nabasa. And click on the job openings. Yung bawat job openings na nakalist, merong QR code. Parang paper siya na naka-QR code na i-scan nyo. Pag i-scan nyo yun, it will direct you to an application form and the other details na fill upan nyo. Yun na yun. Diretso na. Nag-a-apply na kayo. Di ba? Oh. Galing, di ba? Pinuntahan nyo yung Facebook page. I-scan nyo yung QR code. Bumukas yung application form. Pinilapan nyo yung application form. I-click mo yung submit. Di ba? Tapos ako naman, i-click ko, delete. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi ko i-delete. Wala akong powers. O, click nyo yung submit, di ba? Nag-apply na kayo, rekta na. Andali. Yung mga kaibigan natin sa SBMA Labor Department, ang galing eh, no? Pinapadali nila yung trabaho para sa inyo. Pinapadali nila yung pag-apply para sa inyo. Hindi na kayo mahihirapan. Daming options, no? Mag-drop personally sa receiving section, sa Subic Gym, or via online. Click nyo lang yung QR code sa Labor Department Facebook page. And that's it! That's it, pansit! Lastly, I want to invite you guys this coming Thursday, March 26. We will be having the Cleanup Club. Every, alam nyo, nilaunch na to a couple months ago. Every last Friday of the month, we're doing the Cleanup Club. Kaya Friday Cleanup Club talaga to. Kaya lang, because of the executive order ni Presidente PBBM, ni Presidente Bongbong Marcos, instructing all government agencies and offices to conduct a 4-day work week. Work from home na yung Friday sa karamihan ng mga offices. No? Kaya Thursday na muna for the meantime. Every last Thursday of the month. Okay? And ang last Thursday for the month of March, this month, is this coming Thursday na, March 26. Okay? So join us as we clean up the boardwalk area. Okay? This coming March 26, Thursday, you're all invited, 7:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Usually, ang attendance natin dyan, all the different departments of the SBMA, yung mga iba't ibang departamento. Pero, invited po ang lahat na nakikinig ngayon. You guys can join, everybody. Alright? Ini-invite din natin yung mga iba't ibang company, schools, governmental and non-governmental organizations to join us as we clean up the waterfront road, boardwalk. Okay? Ang meeting place is vacant lot in front of the boardwalk. Alam niyo yung boardwalk event center, di ba? Doon ginaganap yung mga New Year countdown, yung mga events natin. Yan, okay? Boardwalk yon. So, ang host SBU natin, every month kasi merong host, no? Na strategic business unit, nagpapalit-palitan. Okay? This time, ang host SBU is the Public Works and Technical Services Group. Ayan, PWTSG. Ayan, it's headed by our poging-pogi na kagaya ko, kagaya ni DJ Tommy G. Pareho kaming pogi at saka cute. Ang cute-cute namin. Public Works and Technical Services Group headed by our dear Deputy Administrator Marco, Engineer Marco Estabilio. Ayan. Hello, good evening, sir. Sir Marco, good evening to you. I'm ready for Thursday. Ready na ako. Kung kinakailangan kumanta, kakanta ako for everybody's entertainment. Pwede rin ako mag-stand-up comedy. Yeah, so join us this coming Thursday. The Cleanup Club will be happening. Schools can join din, mga schools, mga eskwelahan. So, ang meeting place again, tsaka may registration pa yata, no? May registration din doon. Pero, para again, to make it easy on you, visit the SBMA Ecology Center page. Nakapost ito doon, no? Yung poster. Nandoon din yung QR code na pwede nyo i-scan para madali na yung registration, no? Scan nyo lang, registered na kayo. See you March 26 this coming Thursday. Wednesday na bukas, the next day na, no? 7:30 a.m. at the vacant lot across Boardwalk area. And this month's celebration of the Cleanup Club is extra special para sa aming lahat. Why? Because it's the birthday month of our Honorable Chairman and Administrator Engineer Eduardo Jose L. Alinio. Yeah. Yung pangalan ng ating dear chairman and administrator, parang one of those telenovela characters. Diba, naalala nyo si di ba si Marimar? May character may telenovela si Marimar dati na yung kanyang love interest na ginanapan ni sino ba yun? Yung sikat din yun na telenovela actor na gwapong-gwapo no? Yun ang character name niya doon, Eduardo Jose. Di ba? Eduardo Jose, merong Carlos Fernando, mga ganun. Yan ang mga Mexican novela no? Yung mga pangalan no? Okay, so lastly, set of invites here coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay, check out the Women's Month sale. Celebrate Women's Month in style and enjoy up to 50% off on women's fashion pieces March 16 to 31. Don't miss out. Shop now at SM Store Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. SM Store Olongapo Downtown. Also check out the Easter Egg Venture. Get ready to hop around the mall and discover exciting surprises. Scan QR codes, tap the Easter egg, and uncover fun rewards in the upcoming SM Easter Egg Venture. Okay? So check out the links that's posted on the social media pages. Promo runs from March 22 to April 5. Max out your Easter experience in your most loved SM Central and SM Downtown. Goldilocks Graduation Bundle, Class of 2026. This is for you. Celebrate your graduation day. Hashtag GoldilocksPH. Get any luscious 8x12 cake with 12 pieces of our classic puto for only $899 and from March 23 to April 19, 2026. Our Home All Mattresses Sale. This March 23 to 25, turn those nights into something truly restful with Our Home's Big Mattress Sale. Enjoy up to 85% off plus extra 5% off on premium mattresses for Eurotex Salem Ambassador Bed and King Coil. All right, so check it out. Level 3, SM City, Olongapo Central, Our Home. The Easter Runway Costume Contest. Get ready to slay the Easter Runway. Check out the costume contest at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown on April 5, 2026. Okay? Pasensya na. Oh, gutom na. I came straight from work. Papunta diretso rito. Yeah. Registration runs March 23 to April 5, 12 noon. Okay? Naduduying na tsaka nabubuyoy. And all about women. SM's Women's Month celebration. Check out the Glow and Polish Nail Art Workshop. This will be March 28, Saturday, 5 p.m. at the Level 3 of SM City Olongapo Downtown. And process your PSA documents conveniently and pay your bills at the SM Store Olongapo Central. PSA Caravan also will be happening March 25 to 28. Oh, mag-start na bukas, no? 25 to 28. Visit us at the second floor near Cashier 1, Bills Payment Counter, and have your PSA documents processed quickly and easily. Watson's Graduation Glam for the class of 2026 free makeover. Get a free makeover with a minimum purchase of $700 only, including any cosmetic product. Look your best, feel your best, and shine on your special day. Promo runs March 23 to April 30. Morning Beats and Brews. Join DJ Quinn Chio at your most loved SM City Olongapo Central for Morning Beats and Brews. Sip coffee, vibe to max beats, and celebrate Women's Month like the queens you are. March 28, 11 a.m. at SM City Olongapo Central. Give an hour for Earth. SM Supermalls nationwide, including your most loved SM City Olongapo Central and Downtown, is giving an hour for Earth. This March 28 from 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m., SM Supermalls invites you to spend one meaningful hour as they switch off non-essential lights for 60 minutes in a symbolic power down. Be part of a global movement for the planet. Give blood, save lives. We are inviting everyone to a bloodletting activity happening tomorrow, March 25. From 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. at the Level 2 beside the Chris Sports at SM City Olongapo Central. Help save lives. Blood donation campaign, SM Foundation, SM Supermalls, and also brought to you by the Philippine Red Cross Olongapo Chapter. Again, that's gonna be at SM Central, huh? Check out the Red Mall illumination March 20 to 20. Oh, tapos na, no? Yeah, okay. But this one's not yet. The parties and the fan meetups between March 20 to April 18. Yan, okay? Also, the BTS World Tour, Arirang live viewing in SM Cinemas. Okay, April 11 and April 18. Maxed out Army, BTS Army celebrations, that is. All right? So those are the invites for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. And time is up for me. That's about it. I gotta play my final song now. Maraming salamat for joining me. Thank you for joining me and keeping me in the background. Join me again tomorrow for the Wednesday edition of this radio show called Bandera Night Jams with DJ Tommy G. All right? March 25 edition tomorrow. Okay? And once again, that's it for me. Maraming salamat po. Gonna be playing my final song for you guys. Final shout out, by the way, for the people in the live stream right about now. Maraming salamat for joining me, you guys. Thank you kay Kuya Israel Dimalanta. Gandang gabi rin sa'yo, Kuya Israel, ha? I hope you're doing fine. Kuya Jepro Julian and the rest of the Julian family. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Okay, who else do I gotta greet? Binabati ko rin si paring Chuck Norris. Chuck Norris, he passed away na, no? Pero sabi, hindi daw talaga naman, alam niyo naman yung mga Chuck Norris memes, no? Malupit kasi ito si paring Chuck Norris, eh. Parang invincible superhero, you know? Hindi daw talaga siya namatay. Binigyan lang daw niya ng pahinga si kamatayan. Yun talaga yung nangyari. Hindi naman talaga daw siya namatay. Okay. Who else do I gotta greet? Let me check. Si Kuya Ronelio Solis and the rest of the Solis family. Kuya Jose Eric Powalny in Thailand. He's in Thailand. Tune in to us. Okay, maraming salamat. And also shout out din kay Madam Tess Hernandez. Ate Tess Hernandez from Fukuyama, Japan. Ayan. Alright. Okay. So, everybody, pati na rin yung mga naka-live stream sa atin, naka-tune in sa mga shinera natin ng pages. Ha? Salamat sa mga admin, ha? Yung admin ng Olongapo Barangayan page, Olongapo Batanggapo, Olongapo, iba't ibang gapo pages. Ayan. Olongapo, marami kasing Batanggapo pages, di ba? Ayan. Pati na rin yung Gising Olongapo page, nandoon din, nakashare din tayo doon. Bangon, Bagong Gapo. Okay? Ano pa ba? Subic Bay Freeport Zone page. Alright. At marami pang iba. Saan pa ba tayo nag-share? Marami na. Basta yun, lahat yun. Salamat po. Thank you sa mga admin for letting me in. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, here's my final song for you guys. Music coming from Bon Jovi. This one's called I Want You from the album Keep the Faith of 1992. With this song for now, Tommy G saying peace. I'm out of here. Bye for now. Good evening.